Hi students, today in this class we will discuss about some functional groups. So I said no last class, next class we will discuss about functional group. So here we have 12 functional groups I am writing here. In the 12 functional groups, functional group means definition which is responsible for the entire compound physical and chemical properties, which is responsible that component or that product, that compound is known as functional group. Example, halogen. So this is present in group means we will call that is halo. If it is 2 carbons is there means example I will write, you can understand. Formula of this one, halogen, general formula X. X means instead of X, chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, like we will take. So suffix for this one, no suffix, only prefix is there, that is halo. Halo means if it is chlorine, chloro, it is bromine, bromo, like we will write. For this one, no suffix. Example, CH3, CH2, Cl is there. So this one is example. Name of this one is 1,2 chloroethane. Chloroethane means eth means 2 carbons. In that 1 carbon having chlorine. Any one carbon, any one we will take. This is 1,2 means 1 chloroethane. 1 chloroethane. That is example. Next, nitro compounds. Nitro compounds formula is NO2. So for this also there is no suffix. Prefix only is there, that is nitro. Nitro. Example, CH3, CH2, NO2, or one more CH2, NO2 we will take means this is 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons is there means what we will take? 3 carbons. 3 carbons is there means we will take meth, eth, prop. 1 nitro propane. 1 nitropropane, like name will come. Okay, next ether is there. Ether also formula is OR. So that is also suffix, no suffix, but prefix is methoxy. Otherwise we will write that is alkoxy. Example, CH3, CH2, CH3, like is there means methoxy ethane. Methoxyethane. So this is prefix only, not a suffix. Suffix means last we should write. Prefix means front of the carbon chain. What we will write, that is. So this is a example for that 3. Next, alcohol is there. So alcohol is OH functional group. This is a suffix. We will write suffix OL, prefix hydroxy. Prefix is hydroxy. Example, CH3, CH2, OH is there. This is ethanol. OL, no? Ethanol. Eth means 2 carbons. OL means alcohol functional group. So this is ethanol. Okay. Next, aldehyde functional group. Aldehyde what? CHO. Otherwise we will write C double bond O H. This side for alkyl group is there. So aldehyde we will take here Al, suffix Al, aldehyde is Al, alcohol is OL. Here we will take oxo. If it is prefix we will take mean that is oxo. Example, CH3, CH2, C double bond O H. So 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. So that one is butane. 4 carbons means butane. This is Al, no, butanol. Butanol 1 or 1 butanol, that is aldehyde. Now ketone, C double bond O, like this is there, means this is ketone formula. This we will write here ONE here, keto. This is prefix means keto, or suffix means oxo. Example, suffix means ONE, CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is 1 2 3 carbons is there. So then that name of this compound is 3 carbons, propanone. ONE, propanone 2 or 2 propanone. Propanone means 3 carbons. It is not chain terminating group, it is a middle only will be there functional group. So no need to mention number also for that one. Next one, ketone over. Next carboxylic acid, C double bond O H. This is carboxylic acid functional group formula. So for this one example, suffix name is suffix oic acid. Here carbamyl will come, once we'll check. So that is carboxy will come. Carboxy, if it is prefix means carboxy. So CH3 CH2 COOH is there. So this one is 1 2 3. 1 2 3 is there. No, 3 means propanoic acid. So ester now. Ester means RC double bond O OR. Ester, RC double bond O over RC double bond O over. Ester functional group we will take here O8. Okay, O8 we will take here. Alkoxy carbamyl, I think alkoxy carbamyl, alkoxy carbonyl functional group, alkoxy carbonyl. Example, CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH3. This one name we will give how O8, no. This is if it is a suffix means last, prefix means front, no. Suffix name we want to write 1 2 3. 1 2 3 means propane. Suffix name methoxy propane. Okay, methoxy means methyl plus oxygen, methoxy propanoate, methoxy propanoate. Here not like that, methoxy ethane. Here methoxy propanoate, O8, no, O8 we should mention. Next acid amide. Acid amide means RNH2. Acid amide means RNH2. Sorry, C double bond O NH2. Yes, acid amide, C double bond O NH2. That is we will write amide only here, amide only. Next carbamyl. This one is, this name, prefix name is carbamyl. So example of this one is CH3 CH2 C double bond O NH2 is there, means what is that name? Amide, no. Name of that compound is propanamide, 1 2 3 3 carbons propane, no, propanamide, amide, propanamide, 1 propanamide or propanamide 1. So next amines, NH2 group. Here NH2 group means amino nitrile, amino amine, here amino will come, amino. So example of this one, CH3 CH2 NH2. This one is ethanamine. Next 2 is there, I will write sulfonic acid, SO3H, sulfonic acid, SO3H. Sulfonic, here suffix is sulfonic, prefix is sulfo, prefix is sulfo. Next ethane sulfonic acid will come if 2 carbons and after SO3H is there, means that is ethane sulfonic acid, that name example. Next one is as cyanide means CN is cyano we will write here, nitro, cyano is prefix, cyano here is nitrile. Okay, if it is CH3, CH2CN, that we will take 1 2 3 propane nitrile, like we will take. So this is the functional groups. If you want to take a screenshot, examples, prefix, if it will come prefix means what we will take, suffix means what we will take, formula what, name what, up to 12 functional groups is there. So Y's are prefix and suffix 2 is there, 2 wrote why no, if in one organic compound having 2 functional groups means, for example, OH also is there, aldehyde also is there, then what we will write, OL, AL both we will write, no, in that first suffix name based on preference, principal functional group 1 we will take. Next remaining one is substituent name prefix we should write front, which is substituent, that name will come front. If for example aldehyde and alcohol, this one and this one both is there, means we will take this name now. If 2 carbons is then ethane hydroxyethanol Al will come, like we will write. Okay, this name we will take for 2 functional groups is there. In that, one functional group primary functional group, principal functional group we will take. Second one we will take substituent always we will write prefix names, which is substituent in this, that name is prefix names we are using, prefix only we are using for that. Okay, for that only 2 is there. Example, so now I will erase this and all. Okay, otherwise this one I will erase examples. Then this is also here we have one formula, that is this one also not 10 of that's why. Okay, we have one formula to write a chemical formula, root word plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Okay, here also primary prefix plus secondary prefix. Okay, this is the major. Root word tells about number of carbons present in organic compound. Okay, number of carbon atoms present in a compound. Example, 3 carbons present, 3 carbons is there, C3, that is propano, C4 butano, C5 pent, C6 hex. It is a double bond hexene, triple bond hexane, single bond hexane. That's why I didn't write all. This one will tells about primary suffix, tells about unsaturation. What is unsaturation, sir? Unsaturation means double bond is there in this root word having double bond or single bond or triple bond, which is there in this 3. Based on that, we can add double bond means YN, triple bond YNE, if single bond ANE, double bond ENE, we should add to root word. Next, this one, secondary suffix. Listen properly. Secondary prefix, suffix. This one is functional group. Before I wrote no functional groups. About this one tells about functional group. What functional group? Principal functional group. So priority order also I will write. So functional groups, if it is example OH functional group present in the compound, then what we will write? OL. If CHO aldehyde functional group is there, we should write AL. After, if for example root word 6 carbons, here single bond hexane, there one alcohol group is hexanol, right? For that, this is a name. So hexane, OL also you should add instead of Ne, hexanol. If it is alcohol, hexanol, like if it is ketone, C double bond O, like this is there, ONE, hexanone, like 3 will come. Okay, understood? This is based on functional group. We will write their last name, secondary suffix. Before, unsaturation is there or not in a compound. This is how many carbon atoms. Next, this one, primary prefix tells about cyclic compounds. Cyclic compound means if it is example, if it is cyclova, bicyclova, spirova. 3 types of cycles is there, cyclic, bicyclic and spiro compounds. So it will there, it is the, if 6 carbons cyclic form is there means cyclohex, single bond means cyclohexanol, like cyclohex. If double bond means hexene OL, cyclohexene OL. Based on the numbering, third carbon having double bond means 3 in, OL is the first carbon means ol, like we will write them. Next, this one important. This is substituent. Substituent means what? I said before, halogen is there means if it is X, substituent X means chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine is there means halo. We should write 1 chloro, pro, in, 1 in, nol, 2 nol, like will come. I will give example, you can understand. Nitro compound NO2 is there means that is nitro. If it is either is there means ROR, is there means methoxy. Okay, methoxy, propane, like we will write. Substituents. Okay, this is substituent. This substituent only before I wrote prefix suffix. Example, here before I wrote 2 lines, 2 columns. Which one we will take substituent in 2 functional group? Example, one example I will tell about this all. CH3, CH2, CH here. CH, here one OH, here one CH2, here CH3 is there. Here in this carbon having one chlorine. Now see, here two functional groups is there. One is halogen, another alcohol also is there. Two is there, no? Two is there means which is first we should take for functional group. This is a substituent. Halogens have substituent. Substituent means this one. Secondary prefix substituent. So halo we should write. First we need to numbering, we should give carbons. How many is there? 1 2 3 4 5 carbons is there. So this side we will give numbering because 2 3 will come, 2 plus 3 5 will come, lowest sum rule. 4 5 carbons is there means I will write here pent ANE. All are single bonds. All are single bond means AN, pentane. This two completed. Next suffix, secondary suffix we need to write last. Which is functional group in this two? This is what functional group? Alcohol. Alcohol means OL instead of E, OL. Pentanol, which position? Pentanol 3 or pentanol 3 also we should write, or pent 3 ol or pent 3 ol, pent 3 ol. Before this is there. What is this one? 2 chloro, 2 chloro, 2 chloro, otherwise so many types of UPSC. 2 chloro 3 pentanol also we should write. 3 pentanol means third carbon having alcohol group, total carbons is 5, like that. So this is this one primary prefix. This is 2 chloro. This one not there, cyclic structure not. Root word pent. Suffix double bond or single bond ANE. Suffix what is there? Secondary suffix functional group alcohol is there, OL. So that number we should write here are 2 chloro pentanol 3 or pent 3 nol. What are pent 3 all also correct. So for that only I said before suffix names and the secondary suffix. This one and this one are important. Why? If two functional group present, which one we should take substituent based on what? Once I will tell. I will give one priority order. First acids we will take. Which acids? That functional group priority very very important. Acetic acid COOH is greater. Acids means carboxylic acid. This is greater principal functional group we will take. Next acid after acid amides. Acid amide means C double bond O NH2s. Acid amide after sulfonic acid. First only sulfonic acid SO3H after acid amide after acid chloride C double bond O Cl after acids after cyanide after aldehyde CHO after ketone C double bond O ketone after aldehyde ketone after aldehyde ketone alcohol OH is greater than OH after OH after halogens halogen after NO2 halogen after NO2 after that double bond after that triple bond. So this is the priority order in the functional group. These two I am taking first OH. No, why I am taking OH? OH is first is their priority order after halogen. Okay, if these two present in this compound means this is we will take primary functional group and this one is secondary suffix. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, can I erase? Esters also is there, esters. So okay, this is about nomenclature. two functional groups present in the one compound. Priority order we want. First acids, after aldehyde, ketones and alcohols, like. Okay, now cyclic compounds name. Cyclic compound. Some cyclic compounds I will write now. Numbering how we will do. This is chlorobenzene. One chlorobenzene or chlorobenzene. Next, same this one having here one chlorine, here one chlorine. 1,2 dichlorobenzene, or same this one ortho, or O means ortho position, ortho dichlorobenzene, same for 1,2 position means like that. 1,3 position meta dichlorobenzene. So here 1,2 position like this, 1,3 dichlorobenzene. So 1,3 dichlorobenzene, 1,3 position is meta, and then Cl and Cl is there. So 1,4 dichlorobenzene. Okay, this one we will call para-dichlorobenzene. For example, one compound having chlorine, here NO2, here also NO2, here one NO2 is there. Now numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 we will give means 1 plus 3 plus 4 will come. Okay, now it is 8. If we will give numbering here onwards 1, 2, 3, 4, here onwards what will come? 1 plus 2 plus 4. Now it is 7 will come. 7 is least number, no? So that only this side. Name of this is chlorobenzene. Name of that one are 1 chloro 2,4 dinitrobenzene. 1 chloro 2,4 dinitrobenzene. So this is cyclic compounds names. We will write like this. Okay. So one more compound. If this is OH means phenol. Here one CH3, here one CH3 is there. So now this is the name of this compound is. Numbering we should give 1, 2, 3, 4 only, not 1, 2, 3, 4. Why means here alcohol major functional group, that's why we should give this here onwards. So 3, this is not substituents, no, that's why. But here 3 are same substituent, that's why we are given like that. But here this is main functional group. 3, 4 dimethyl, substituents names first. Dimethyl phenol. So benzene ring, this is having mean that is phenol. So benzene ring having NH2 means like NH2, that is aniline. Okay. Next we will discuss about next class isomerism. Thank you, students.